I left school at 14 with no qualifications. By the age of 18, I was a mum with a baby son to look after. I worked as a hairdresser for 14 years to support my family. When my son became a teenager, I got a job as a care assistant. I've always had a passion for helping others and wanted a career where I could give something back. Putting a smile on someone's face is a great feeling. My real dream is to become a social worker. Determined to gain my maths and English qualifications to get accepted into university, I joined the Vale Learning Centre. After completing my Level 1 application of numbers and Level 2 in communication, I returned a year later to do my Level 2 application of numbers. I was working in the hard-hit care sector during the pandemic. It was really tough juggling studies whilst being a key worker. Despite these challenges, I managed to achieve the qualifications I needed to begin my social work course. I can't wait to start university. Learning has given me the chance to change my story. It can do the same for you.